What's the meaning of chrysanthemum? Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum refers to a flowering plant which is native to East Asia and northeastern Europe. The name comes from the Greek words chrysos meaning gold, and anthemon meaning flower. It is a symbol of autumn, happiness, and longevity in many cultures, including China and Japan. Chrysanthemums come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, including white, yellow, pink, and purple. They are often used for ornamental purposes and also have medicinal properties.